Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to download and install Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I really like using Google Chrome as it means I can go and sync my history, amongst other things, across my devices. So to get started, go to the bottom of your computer and press search and open up a web browser. I'll go and use Microsoft Edge. You can press search at the top, and you want to go and type in Google Chrome like so, and we can scroll down and come to the Google site. Just here you can go and read about it, and we can then and press download. Come to the bottom. Open up File Explorer and go to your downloads. Find Chrome Setup and double-click it, and run it. Now it's going to start downloading. It will then automatically install, and what you can then do is go and sign into your account. I previously have so my account's already here and we can use it.